What's up, you guys? I'm going to be doing the introduction like this so you won't see the final result of what's going to happen with my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my beautiful luscious eyebrows, but also how I'm going to shave them off. So if you'd like to see the final results, please keep on watching. So today I'm going to be fixing my eyebrows. As you could tell, I really haven't done anything to them, and I haven't done anything to them for this exact reason that I wanted to film this video. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. I'm not sure if I already done a video similar to this, but if I did, oh well, this is somewhat going to be updated. So yeah, I'm just going to zoom in to my brows as you can see them in their natural glory. Naturally, my eyebrows are very thick and full, but as you could tell, this brow has a very defined shape and this one does not. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor like this. It's really crusty at the moment, but what I like to do is that I like to pull down gently on my eyebrow until it's like a straight line here, and then I just start shaving away. And I do this with a dry eyebrow, but yeah. But that's how it looks. The difference, this compared to this. And recently I haven't been shaving off this part of my eyebrow, the top part, but for now I am. I want my eyebrows to look very clean. And I'm just cutting off all the little hairs that are not very full. Like that. I don't mix with wax and I don't tweeze my eyebrow hairs because I am afraid of over plucking. But that's how they look, this compared to this. Big difference. And then for the unibrow section, I just cut off all the little hairs that are not that thick. Like that. I do lightly pull my skin, like just ever so lightly. Now this eyebrow is going to be a mess, so I'm just going to start off with the top, because this eyebrow naturally is really weird, really crazy, and it gives me most of my stress. Like that. And then looking every once in a while, oops, like that, hoping that they're kind of symmetrical, kind of not. This eyebrow is like naturally always thicker, but yeah. So once again, I'm just going to pull my eyebrow slightly. You see how it's like curved, and then when I pull it slightly, it turns straight. I don't know, I feel like that works for my eyebrow, but I have been doing this for quite a while. This eyebrow is always like a bit crazier. And that's when I take like the inner corner, or the inner part of the eyebrow thing, and I just clean up little edges. But yeah, this eyebrow naturally wants to go very straight, but yeah, you see, I don't like it to look like that. I like it to look like curved and symmetrical. So I'm just going to trim that a little bit, and now it looks better. But this is how my eyebrows look. Since we're here, I've been wanting to shave a little slit on my eyebrow. So let's see if I'll actually commit today. So I have the Suva Beauty Hydro Fix liner in Space Panda, and it's just a white color that I'm going to use to map out this potential eyebrow slit. So I don't know where exactly I want the slit, but I know I want it like that's too much. Because I want it like this, not like this or like that. And the cool things about these liners is that I could just wipe it off. Let's commit, shall we? I'm scared, but let's commit. I'm going to be using an eyebrow, this thing. It does that, so. I'm gonna go back with this. What have I done? So I did it, but kind of done did goofed right there, but it doesn't matter. I like it so much. So yeah, let me just do my makeup and I'll be right back. There. I don't know. I really like it, but I got the brilliant idea while I was doing my makeup to show this to my parents. They're going to absolutely flip, but at the moment I cannot make much noise because it's final season. So yeah. Oh, they're gonna flip soon. But I really like it. It's like feminine, but also like masculine in a way. I am going to wait for everything to settle down, and then yeah, I'm gonna film my parents' reactions to my new look. I've gone full-blown e-girl. I don't know how I feel about that.
¿Qué más?
Les quiero enseñar algo que hice. Pero creo que venga la mom.
Es una cochinada.
No sé.
Se rasuró las cejas. Y me había dicho que se las iba a rasurar. Recárgate, Ponzo, que te vas a ir para atrás. A ver.
Nomás una.
Ah,
No fue una.
se le hizo una línea.
Ya.
Yo pensaba que se
Ay,
le había
ya.
rasurado por completo.
No. ¿Qué? ¿Te gustó?
Sí, ahí le puedes echar color. Cuando quieras ahí ponerle una línea de
Es
color.
lo que estaba pensando.
Cambiarles color.
Lloré.
¿De qué? ¿De qué pensaste? Yo pensé que te
No, de
iba a rasurar
risa.
las cejas.
¿Todas?
Sí. Tú dijiste el otro día, me voy a rasurar las cejas. Yo pensé que te había rasurado las cejas.
Esto no es lo que esperaba.
¿Qué?
Pensé que me iba a regañar.
Oh, es una línea.
So yeah, this is the final result of my eyebrows. They look real clean, real cute. I wasn't expecting it to look this thick and this good. I don't think that I was going to hate it, but yeah, I really like it. I've been wanting to do this for a while. And don't come for me in the comment sections on like, oh my god, your eyebrows look so good, what would you shave them off? They're just eyebrows. It's hair. They'll grow back. And yeah, I've shaved my eyebrows off before, like pencil thin, to like draw them drag queen style. So I know that my eyebrows are gonna grow back, or at least I hope they do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it. If you guys see more of my face, please do subscribe to my channel. I make new videos each week. And if you guys like to follow me on any social media page that I may have, the link down below. And also please be sure to click on that bell button somewhere on the screen so you can be notified whenever I do upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!